we just checked into the Oak Island Resort and it's beautiful. We'll explain later while we're here, but David asked me to do a room tour first. So, and here's the bathroom. I already had my straightener out.
We're kind of in a rush, so we already kind of threw our stuff everywhere. Yeah.
And this is the beautiful room with a whole bunch of goodies from the Trail Shop and the Take It Outside store. So that's why we're here, because of these two stores.
And there's a really nice balcony here.
David flew the drone and I was sitting in here and I couldn't hear him do anything. Like, it's soundproof. Dinner was amazing. We had the chef's tasting here at the Oak Island Resort, and the chef was Stefan Levac. The patio was beautiful.
Super
it's so
warm
nice.
day.
All of the patio furniture is like this bright turquoise color, and it's so lively, and yeah, it was just a beautiful atmosphere and paired with a beautiful meal.
Your hair looks so good.
It's June.
I love it.
Frizzy. David had too many Giantis. Wow. It's beautiful. Eat it.
It's great. If I have to.
That was. How amazing is this view? Look at that sunset. We're doing s'mores right over there.
Just about to go on a boat tour of Oak Island with Salty Dog Tours.
Did you show the dogs?
And the dogs don't get to come though.
No, they don't get to come.
Salty dogs, no
Or
dogs.
did they make an exception for them?
No.
That's fine.
Hi puppies.
Hi, hello.
For your safety, we have a door down aft, a door up forward, and a door port midships here. And he was an ex-black slave called Samuel Ball. And Samuel Ball was farming 4 acres of cabbage on the southern side. And from farming that 4 acres of cabbage, he ended up buying 8 of these expensive 4-acre lots on Oak Island. He owned 100 acres on the mainland and his very own island on the other side called Sam's Island. So not bad for growing 4 acres of cabbage. So I believe Sam probably found a treasure or part of a treasure, because you couldn't buy that today growing 4 acres of marijuana, let alone 4 acres of cabbage. But it's put Nova Scotia on the map. Like, you go to anywhere in the States now and you say Nova Scotia and they'll say Oak Island.
Yeah.
It is the world's longest running treasure hunt. But the crazy thing is, we don't even know what we're looking for.
Yeah.
It could be Knights Templar treasure, which is a popular theory at the moment. 6 people have died, and they say the curse is 7 people must die before the treasure is found. So I don't believe in the curse. Probably the reason being some clown put lucky number 7 on my scuba tank when I jumped in the swamp. Even back in the 1600s, it was believed the treasure was buried on this island, pirate treasure. And that one there, you'll see, is 1670. And then you'll notice a P in the left-hand corner. That stands for Potosi. So they're from the Potosi mine, and that was where the Spanish enslaved the Incas.
Oh my gosh, like I don't even know what the temperature is, but somebody said that it's supposed to feel like 39 or 40 degrees out,
it does.
Celsius.
This is not Canada right now.
This is not Canada. No, we woke up and we were like, we feel like we're somewhere in the tropics, but anyways, very lucky to be enjoying this resort in such fabulous weather. And we just did the Salty Dogs tour of Oak Island. We don't watch the Oak Island show, so let us know.
But now we kind of want to.
Let us know in the comments if you are obsessed with Oak Island as much as apparently some people are, which no wonder they are obsessed with it, because we heard just a fraction of some of the tales.
Our guide had a lot to say, and he's actually done a lot of work like with the TV show, so he might
He's
even
a diver.
be in it, but
He's a diver.
He is a diver, so
Yeah.
he's found lots of cool things, so that's definitely worth checking out if you're in the area.
If you're staying here, especially,
Yeah.
book a tour with the Salty Dog Tour. It was not tidal bore rafting. It was a leisurely boat ride. It was very enjoyable. Next up, we are eating at the Old Black Forest restaurant. It is just outside of Mahone Bay, and it specializes in German and Canadian cuisine, I believe. We're not sure. We're gonna find out.
If you follow Travel with Freya, Freya's parents work here.
Lunch was amazing from the Old Black Forest restaurant. Chef Nathan did an amazing job in the whole setup, the flowers, the setting, the food was incredible. Definitely recommend checking them out. And they're in the process, they just opened last year, so they're in the process of offering like group events and group dining bookings. So keep an eye out on their socials. We'll pop it in the comments below, and definitely go there if you're looking to try some unique German cuisine. Now where are we headed to?
We're heading to Gaff Point if we can find it. We've been before, but it's been so long, I just don't remember. This doesn't look familiar. And also it was covered in snow.
Holy smoly, there are a lot of cars here. We're not in Cape Breton anymore, boys.
Guys, there's a porcupine right there. We're gonna sneak by him. Come on, we'll be fine. Go away. Look, he's leaving. Okay, you're good. Quick. Come quick. Come on. I've never seen you that scared. Man, we came into like bears and all kinds of crap, and you're like, oh, a porcupine, I'm done. I can't go that way.
I just realized I have a fear of porcupine.
If you watched our South Shore video, you will recognize this place in Lunenburg, where we spent a lot of time at the Grand Banker.
One of our faves.
I think this is hilarious. Hi. Just had an awesome dinner at the Grand Banker. We ran over to the golf course. We're gonna fire the drone up and see if we can catch the last little bit of sunset. It's going down over there.
Good morning. We are about to check out of the Oak Island Resort, and just want to say thank you for watching, and thank you to the Trail Shop team for having us. So we are part of this big ambassador group for Nova Scotia that loves to promote outdoor adventure and supporting local for all of your hiking, biking, camping, outdoor needs. So check out the Trail Shop in Halifax and Take It Outside store in Truro.
Yeah. For
Thanks.
all your outdoor hiking stuff.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our video. We're really making videos every Sunday.
We're trying to
focusing
feature
on our YouTube.
as much as we can. Give us some ideas too. Let us know where we should go.
Yeah.
And come to Oak Island. This is a beautiful spot in Nova Scotia, and hope everyone is having a good day.
Thanks everyone.
Bye.